Integrating WorldPay sign-up into your website is a straightforward process that enables you to accept online payments securely and efficiently. To begin, you need to create a WorldPay account and obtain your installation ID and MD5 secret, which are required for the integration process. First, go to the WorldPay website and sign up for an account, providing the necessary business and personal details. Once your account is approved, you can access the installation ID and MD5 secret from the WorldPay control panel. The installation ID is a unique identifier for your WorldPay account, while the MD5 secret is used to secure your transactions. Next, you need to choose the integration method that suits your needs. WorldPay offers two integration methods: the payment section and the payment request. The payment section method involves redirecting your customers to the WorldPay payment page, where they can enter their payment details. The payment request method allows you to collect payment details on your own website and then send them to WorldPay for processing. To integrate WorldPay using the payment section method, you need to create a payment form on your website that redirects customers to the WorldPay payment page. You can do this by using HTML and adding the necessary parameters, such as your installation ID and the payment amount. When a customer submits the payment form, they are redirected to the WorldPay payment page, where they can complete the payment process. To integrate WorldPay using the payment request method, you need to collect payment details on your own website and then send them to WorldPay for processing. This method requires you to handle sensitive payment information, so you need to ensure that your website is secure and compliant with the payment card industry data security standard. In both cases, you need to handle the payment response from WorldPay, which includes the payment result and any error messages. You can use this information to update your database and notify the customer of the payment result. Best practices for integrating WorldPay sign-up include ensuring that your website is secure and compliant with industry standards, testing your integration thoroughly to ensure that it works correctly, and providing clear and concise payment instructions to your customers. Additionally, you should ensure that you handle payment errors and exceptions correctly, and that you notify customers of any issues that may arise during the payment process. By following these steps and best practices, you can integrate WorldPay sign-up into your website and start accepting online payments securely and efficiently. This enables you to expand your customer base and increase your revenue, while also providing a convenient and secure payment experience for your customers.